Welcome to ReviewZen. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best dishwashers based on quality, smart features, durability, price, and real user reviews. Check the description below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to ReviewZen for more awesome tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Loch Electronics Capsule Mini Dishwasher. The Loch Electronics Capsule Mini Dishwasher is a compact 30-litre countertop dishwasher designed for apartments, RVs, dorms, offices, and small kitchens. Its no plumbing required design features a built-in clean water tank, making installation quick and hassle-free. With 10 wash programs, including a 15-minute quick wash, fruit wash, and baby care mode, it delivers flexible cleaning for everything from delicate glassware to pots, pans, and everyday dishes. Dual full-size water sprayers ensure powerful, thorough cleaning, while the 72-hour storage mode, fan drying, and 24-hour delay start keep dishes fresh, dry, and ready to use. The sleek stainless steel freestanding design, intuitive touch controls, built-in carry handle, and quiet 60 decibels operation make it an excellent space-saving solution for modern homes seeking convenience and reliable performance. Number 2. AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and efficient cleaning solution designed for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens. Featuring a 5-litre built-in water tank, it requires no permanent plumbing, making setup quick and convenient. With 5 versatile wash cycles, including baby care, delicate, fruit, normal, and speed, it handles everything from baby bottles and delicate glassware to everyday dishes with ease. The dishwasher operates at a quiet 45 decibels, includes an extra drying function and LED interior light, and uses touch controls with an easy-to-read LED display for effortless operation. Consuming just 106 kilowatt-hours per year and backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty, this portable dishwasher combines energy efficiency, modern design, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for households with limited space. Number 3. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This portable countertop dishwasher is designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance while saving space in apartments, dorms, RVs, and small kitchens. Equipped with a 6-litre built-in water tank, it offers convenient operation without requiring permanent plumbing. The dishwasher features 10 settings and 5 wash programs, including delay start, economy, normal, rapid, and sensor wash, allowing you to choose the ideal cleaning cycle for different types of dishes. Additional features such as a child-proof lock, glass cleaning mode, self-cleaning function, and timer delay provide added convenience and safety. Operating at just 50 decibels, it ensures quiet performance, while its low 0.38 kilowatt-hours energy consumption and 5-litre water usage per cycle make it an energy-efficient and eco-friendly choice. With intuitive touch controls, an LED display, and a durable coated metal rack, this compact dishwasher is a practical solution for everyday dishwashing needs. Number 4. HAVA Countertop Dishwasher. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is a compact portable dishwashing solution that is perfect for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and small kitchens. Featuring a 5-litre built-in water tank, it requires no installation or permanent plumbing, allowing you to start washing dishes right out of the box. With 6 versatile wash programs, including heated dry, intensive, normal, rapid, speed, and quick wash, it easily handles everything from everyday plates to heavily soiled cookware. The intuitive touch controls and LED display make operation simple, while the built-in drying system keeps dishes clean, dry, and ready to use. Despite its powerful performance, the dishwasher consumes only 5 litres of water per cycle and operates in a space-saving design that fits neatly on most countertops. Backed by a 1-year warranty and earning 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 900 customer reviews, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher offers an excellent combination of convenience, efficiency, and reliable cleaning performance. Number 5. COMFEE Mini Countertop Dishwasher. The COMFEE Mini Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and portable dishwashing solution designed for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, RVs, and other space-limited living areas. Featuring a 5-liter water capacity and 6 practical wash programs, including normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and air refresh. It provides versatile cleaning for everything from everyday dishes to delicate glassware and fresh produce. Its easy-to-use LED display simplifies cycle selection, while the durable stainless steel interior and dishwasher rack ensure long-lasting performance and reliable cleaning. With a sleek white finish and space-saving design, the COMFEE Mini Dishwasher offers an efficient, convenient, and modern way to keep your dishes spotless without taking up valuable counter space.